My name is John Gilbertson. I work for Aring Equipment Company, and I'm the general manager here been working here about 28 years. Well, at Aring Equipment, we're basically a heavy equipment dealership, which is very similar to a car dealership, except we get to play with a lot bigger toys. We basically do everything from selling, renting, and repairing heavy equipment. We found out about R&R insurance several years ago. A friend of mine, a colleague that I kind of knew, our kids played soccer together, and the more we were around, we began talking about business. And it turned out that, he was in an industry that sounded like it suited ours. So he came in one day and we sat down, and his philosophy and R&R's philosophies really seemed to match up with what I was looking for as far as a safety program and an insurance company that was looking to better our employees' safety, not just worried about, the end result, which sometimes I think we feel like is the dollars of the business. Safety was something that we just thought about as far as bodily harm. But at the same time, we also realized that having the right processes in place when someone does have an injury, and as you can imagine, working in an industry like this, in a shop, pulling engines, tearing transmissions, we work around some pretty large pieces of equipment. Bumps and bruises and scrapes happen. Now we have a process through R&R Insurance where all our branches throughout the state have medical locations, that we have the proper paperwork in place, we have the proper notification, and we get the employee back to work quicker. And what does that mean? That means better revenue for us. We get the employee back doing what he does, helping us to generate revenue, and that process has been so much easier to deal with thanks to R&R Insurance. Unfortunately, because of the size of our company, we don't have a full-time HR person, a full-time safety advisor. Thanks to R&R, and the process that they have as far as helping us along, we can manage our time and our money better with their help because they do so much for us versus just having a dedicated HR person handling just safety and insurance issues. And we've really, looked at, how can we do less? I think as far as a company goes, even though they do a lot already, I'm always looking for ways to how they can even do more, because it seems like the more they do, the more time we have to do things that we do best, is sell equipment.